TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we got a mixed bag out here. Mixed from the standpoint, the Dow's off 90 points, 0.25%, not a big deal. The S&P is off 3. That's basically flat. The NDX is flat. It's up 1 point. The Russell's up 15. That's up 0.7%. The semis are up 5. Tranny's up 129. You've got gold off 15 bucks. Silver is up 13 pennies. Light sweet crude up 94 pennies. Let's go take a look at our 9-panel market update chart. What we're going to see here is the ES Mini is struggling at the top of its weekly profile. That level is 42.3825. You're going to watch the close after the close today in the equity future contract, because the close about 42.38 says price wants to move higher. And that's really the message that right now is coming from the spot volatility index. You'll notice here the trading session of April the 9th. That was a TD9 count bottom. That was low of the pattern. Now we have price trading below that level of 1620. So it's negated that. That should give the S&P 500 some energy to continue to run higher. Speaking of running higher, the NQ most certainly wants to do that. It's above its daily and its weekly profiles. So it's gunning for its all-time highs. The U.S. dollar index, it has found some legs out here. And those legs say if we get a close above 90.54 and we are at 90.57, the U.S. dollar index will have a change in trend. Now, we like to see 2 consecutive closes above the top of a profile to confirm that. You don't like those one-hit wonders, but be careful, because if, in fact, the U.S. dollar index has bottomed here, and that's in essence what that signal would be, then one, we should see gold pull back to 1860. That's the bottom of its daily profile, or perhaps below that. Silver just consolidating with inside its daily profile. Both gold and silver have topping patterns that are already in place out here, TD9s or the D-point patterns. So they've got the top in place, and so watch that U.S. dollar index. If we take a look at light sweet crude, it's on its way up to the 90 area. That's over time. It's up above all profiles. If we take a look at natural gas, it found its mojo, and its mojo has already made the 1.272 expansion of its last set of swing points. That was at 3.28. We're trading at 3.29. A continued move higher says the target becomes 3.39. And the 30-year Treasury, it's yesterday what it did was it took out a B point, and that's suggesting there's an A to B equals CD to the upside with the initial price projection of about 162.69. Folks, if you're off to start your Friday, have a fantastic one. Otherwise, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. We'll be back in just a few. Take care.